This is JR Tech and Software.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of experiment with Windows XP here. So what I want to do is, there is a little program out there called Reforce Hacker, and what this allows you to do is open up any exe file into it, and you can modify any resources that tries to get from within it. So like icons, we got various text strings in there. We can modify all of that in there, and I think there might be another video in which I play with Reforce Hacker here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Windows Explorer there, and I'm going to essentially try to delete all of these resources here. So, time for a bit of a time-lapse, I delete them because you can't really select multiple resources here. So, let's go ahead and get into the time-lapse then. Alright, well, I didn't know that you could just delete the folder, so there we go. And then from here, we can go ahead and just save that. And we should be about good to go there. If we run Reforce Hacker again on explorer.exe, it's still there. And we got this on the desktop. Alright. So, that's Explorer on the desktop, and now we just need to copy that to the right place. I did take a snapshot of this virtual machine as well as back up the original Explorer.exe. So let's go ahead and insert a CD here. I'm just going to do it of an older version of Ubuntu since this is a 64-bit a 32-bit virtual machine. I'm kind of limited on what I can do here, also with 1 gig here. So let's do an old version of Ubuntu, and we'll go ahead and restart the virtual machine, and it'll boot up into that old version of Ubuntu 10.04 specifically. And what we will do from there is we will delete the original Explorer, and we will copy that new Explorer that we created without any of its resources, and we will put that in the place of where the older Explorer did. Alright, so now that we are booted up here, what we can do is go to our hard drive here, and we can go into Documents and Settings, and my user account, and on the desktop, and we can copy that. We can copy that, and go into Windows. Scroll down here, we can delete Explorer.exe, and I'm going to permanently delete it so I'm holding shift while I hit delete there. Then I'm going to paste our tampered Explorer.exe in there. And then I'm going to get out of this older version of Ubuntu here. Let's actually restart, not shut down. And let's get back into Windows XP. Alright, and we are booting up here. It's all looking good right now. But what happens when we deleted that? When we deleted all of its resources, it's still technically the same thing, but does it even want to go into the desktop? Let's hit Alt and delete here. And the NTVDM CPU encountered an illegal instruction, so it's using NTVDM because it's, for whatever reason, it's trying to emulate 16-bit. Let's ignore that. And we have an unusable desktop. Let's bring up our task manager here by hitting Control Alt and Delete. And let's go ahead and run explore what happens. The NTVDM CPU, blah blah, hit close. So yeah, so that's what happens. The Explorer essentially becomes unusable. So yeah, so, and if you didn't see the second video on my channel ever, where I replaced Windows XP's Explorer with Windows 7's, we got the same result. Explorer essentially does not work at all. It's as if Explorer wasn't there. Technically it is there, but when the system tries to launch Windows Explorer, it can't, because it launches in like 16-bit mode, which kind of launches the NTVDM, which is the NT virtual DOS machine. So it's being virtualized, and it performs an illegal instruction, and we keep on ignoring it, and it kills itself anyways. So yeah, guys, don't do this. Of course, it's technically your system is still usable, but it's very hard and tedious to use. Now like I said before, I did back up this. So if we go and run, no, we don't even have to do that. What we could do is just use this. From Windows XP, Explorer, open, and there we go. That is the Explorer that is actually functional. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like it, then go and tell me why down in the comment section so I can improve my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.